Alright, this video is going to be a how-to on how to make a sign just like this one. What you're going to want to get first is some letters. You get you a quote, whatever you're going to want the sign to say. You got to get the letters that that are going to end up saying what you want it to say. You can either buy them at a craft store. You can make them yourself with a CNC machine or with a coping saw, a scroll saw. I did mine with this CNC machine. It's a little handheld CNC machine. Okay, this is going to be my background where I'm going to put the letters, and the way I'm going to get it to hold together is I'm just going to use this plywood undercut so you can't see it. And here's another way you can do it. You can use these little sticks. You can route a groove so they sit flush with the wood. That way you're not adding any thickness to it. And now I'm just placing them wherever I like to see how it's gonna fit all together, how it's gonna look. Okay, right here I'm just cutting up some pieces to make a frame around the sign. So one top, one bottom, and two sides. Right here I'm just cutting 45s on all the corners. And then I'm cutting all of them to sides, the two smalls for the sides, and then the two long pieces for the top and bottom. Alright, so here you can see how the corners are gonna come together. And then I'll show you up here. It's gonna show you closer. All the corners come together like this, 45s. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue and then tack it in place. Okay, so basically I'm making this video so like you can learn how to do this. So if you think I need to give like more details, like the dimensions and stuff like that, let me know and I'll do that next time. Here it is clamped together. Now you just let it dry for a couple of hours, and then it's gonna be nice and solid. So the next step that you would do is get the letters, and you prime them with some primer, and then you paint them with whatever color paint that you want to paint them. Okay, so right here I have them painted. I painted them white. If you see these sticks where I got all the letters on, it's they're actually being held on there with a double-sided tape. You're gonna want to really get some, because when you're painting them, just the pressure from the spray, it keeps moving them around, and it doesn't really hold them together. And having them on there like that, it keeps them where you can move all of them at the same time. It holds it really good, and you can get it from the bottom and from the top and from all the sides. Then I just tack it in place with a 23 gauge pin nailer, and it's done. That's it. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you like to see more videos like this, let me know. If you want more details on videos, tell me so I can give you more details on them. And I'll try to have a video like this at least once a week, if not every 2 weeks. And please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and then follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you guys next time.